This week flower arrangement, everything is from the garden. There's zero mouse flowers and shrubbery. And again, I always apply the rules of 3. A foliage, fillers, and my featured flowers. So for the foliage, this is perennial grass, grows in the front garden. This is decorative plum, lady's mantle, I believe. Another really beautiful shrub which I don't know the name of, but probably you'll be able to give me the name in the comments. And I love the yellow or lime green color on the leaves in early spring. And some grass, just grass from the garden, as whoever follows me knows I love grass. The fillers are the curry plants, the curry flower, which if you standing next to me, it's overwhelming, but I love it. Some scabiosa, here we go, some more flower, beautiful, and some chives. And it's all about purple today. Oh, this is some valerian, just a little bit to break the palette a little bit. My featured flowers, this one, which I don't know the name of, but it's stunning. Verbascum, Southern Charms, I believe. Love it. Some particular beautiful allium. And these gorgeous irises. I mean, look at them. And this is my vessel, this is my container. It's reused glass jar from pickled kind of a vegetable mix.